Let's improve our Turkish with Turkish series. Okay, don't worry.
Tamam, merak etme sen.
Tamam, merak etme sen hallederiz.
In this scene.
Tamam,
Means okay, used to express agreement or acknowledgement.
merak,
Means curiosity, but in this context, it implies a sense of anxiety or worry.
etme,
Means do not. This is the negative imperative form of the auxiliary verb,
etmek,
which means to do or to make. Here, it instructs not to worry.
sen,
Means you refers to the person being addressed.
hallederiz,
Means we will handle it. This is the first-person plural form of the verb,
halletmek,
which means to handle or to take care of. It indicates that the speaker and others will manage the situation.
Tamam, merak etme sen hallederiz.
No need. I am very good.
yok, ben gayet iyiyim.
Yok 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 ben gayet iyiyim. Gayet iyiyim.
In this scene.
Yok,
Means there is not. In this context, it is used to mean no need as a short form of.
gerek yok.
Sometimes it is also used directly to mean no.
Ben,
Means I, which refers to the speaker.
gayet,
Means very or quite and is used to emphasize the extent.
iyiyim,
Means I am good or I am well.
iyi,
Means good or well or fine.
yim,
Is the present tense first-person singular suffix, indicating that the speaker is currently in a good state.
Yok 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 ben gayet iyiyim. Gayet iyiyim.
What is wrong with you?
neyiniz var?
Neyiniz var?
In this scene.
Ne,
Means what asks for information about something.
yiniz,
Means you're the second-person plural or polite singular possessive suffix, referring to the person being asked.
var,
Means there is, and is used to indicate existence or presence. In Turkish, the literal translation of this sentence is, what do you have? However, the more accurate translation in this context is, what is wrong with you? Which is commonly used when asking about someone's health or condition.
Neyiniz var?
It's okay. It's not important.
olsun, önemli değil,
Olsun, önemli değil.
In this scene.
olsun,
Means let it be or it's okay. It is the imperative form of the verb.
olmak,
Meaning to be, used here to indicate acceptance or resignation.
önemli,
Means important, describes something of significance or value.
değil,
Means not, used to negate the adjective.
önemli.
Olsun, önemli değil.
Okay, thanks.
Tamam, teşekkürler.
Tamam teşekkürler. Ne
In this scene.
Tamam,
Means okay or all right, used to indicate agreement or acceptance.
teşekkürler.
Means thanks, an expression of gratitude. The plural form is often translated as thanks.
Tamam teşekkürler. Ne
I understand now.
Anlıyorum şimdi.
Anlıyorum şimdi.
In this scene.
Anlıyorum.
Means I understand, the present continuous first-person singular form of the verb,
Anlamak.
which indicates comprehension at the moment.
Şimdi,
Means now and is used to indicate the current time.
Anlıyorum şimdi.
I love you so much.
seni çok seviyorum.
Seni çok seviyorum.
In this scene.
Seni,
Means you and is the form of the second-person singular pronoun used as the direct object of the verb.
çok,
Means a lot. In English, it is translated as so much in this context because this is the common phrase used to express the intensity of love.
seviyorum.
Means I love and is the present continuous first-person singular form of the verb,
Sevmek.
indicating the action of loving. In Turkish, the present continuous tense is sometimes used to express this ongoing, general sentiment,
Seni çok seviyorum.
even though love is typically an ongoing state. It's none of your business.
Sana ne?
Sana ne?
In this scene.
Sana.
Means to you, and is the form of the pronoun you, used to indicate direction or interest towards the person being addressed.
Ne?
Means what, and is used here to imply indifference or dismissal of the other person's interest or concern. In Turkish, this is an expression that translates literally to, what is it to you? However, the accurate equivalent in English is, it's none of your business.
Sana ne?
I will ask you something.
Sana bir şey soracağım.
Sana bir şey soracağım. Sor.
In this scene.
Sana.
Means to you, and is the form of the pronoun you, used to indicate direction or interest towards the person being addressed.
Bir.
Means a or one, and is used to indicate a single item or instance.
Şey.
Means thing, and refers to an unspecified object, action, or idea.
Soracağım.
Means I will ask, and is the future tense first-person singular form of the verb,
Sormak.
indicating the action of asking that will happen. In Turkish, the literal translation of the sentence is, I will ask you one thing. However, in English, the common expression is, I will ask you something.
Sana bir şey soracağım. Sor.
Do you have any other questions?
Başka sorunuz var mı?
Başka sorunuz var mı?
In this scene.
Başka.
Means other or another, and is used here to mean any other, indicating additional items or instances.
Sorunuz.
Means your question, and is the formal or polite form of the word question, combined with the possessive suffix indicating your.
Var.
Means there is, and is used to indicate existence or presence.
Mı.
Is a question particle used to turn the sentence into a question.
Başka sorunuz var mı?
Can you leave me alone for a while?
Beni biraz yalnız bırakabilir misiniz?
Beni biraz yalnız bırakabilir misiniz?
In this scene.
Beni.
Means me, and is the form of the pronoun, I, that used as the direct object of the verb.
Biraz.
Means a little or a bit. Here, it is used to mean for a while, indicating a short period of time.
Yalnız.
Means alone or by myself and describes the state of being without others.
Bırakabilir.
Means can leave and is the third-person singular form of the verb,
Bırakmak.
indicating the ability to leave.
Misiniz?
Is a question particle used to form polite second-person plural or singular questions, equivalent to, are you, or would you?
Beni biraz yalnız bırakabilir misiniz?
You can be sure that we read all your comments carefully, and your comments greatly motivate us. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comments for more content. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.
Bir dahaki videoda görüşmek dileğiyle, hoşça kalın.